Hello everyone, my name is Nina and right now I'm going to show you how to draw a realistic eye. It's pretty simple, so let's get started. You'll need a few pencils. I'm using Derwent's 3H, HB and 4B. You don't have to use exactly the same, just make sure you have a hard one and a soft one. I also recommend to have in your pencil case a black pencil like this one, a white pen for highlights, and the most important thing is a brush. The brush I always use I bought in a cosmetic store, so I bet all the girls already guessed it's a flat makeup brush. You will need it to make a smooth, beautiful shades. So first of all, you need to decide if you're going to draw from reference or not. I recommend you not to use a reference picture right now, and of course right now I'm not using a reference picture either. Take the hardest pencil you chose, it's 3H in my case, and draw a cross. This cross will help you to draw a circle, and this circle is an iris. Then you need to draw an upper lid. Pay attention to how it covers the iris. If you don't do it, the eye will look weird and unrealistic. Meanwhile, I'm making a sketch of my eye, and don't forget about the crease over the upper eyelid. A pupil needs to be closer to the upper lids and of course the highlight. It can be on the sides or where I just put it. Of course the pupil is black, so I decided to use a black permanent marker to cover it black, only because it's faster. After that we need to fill the iris space. I'm still using 3H. When you are done, use the brush and feel the difference. The iris is a lot darker on top. It is because our lashes drop shadows on it. The edges of our iris are also darker. So, right now, I'm shading and shading and shading. The next step is to put some color closer to the pupil, and after that to start drawing streaks outgoing from the pupil. Some of them are dark, others are light. To make the light ones, I'm using a pencil/eraser by Faber-Castell. iris is done, take a brush and put some shades on white of the eye. The white is actually never white. And remember that the lashes that we haven't drawn yet are still dropping shadows, so it should be darker on top. The eyelash line is black, so I took a marker again. The crease of the eyelid is also black, but I will use a pencil for it. To draw lashes, you need a black pencil. Of course, you can take a graphite pencil, it's just in this case they won't be black. Notice that the lashes are curved and intersect each other. Same with the lower lashes, but they're shorter. Put my shadows on the outer corner of the eye and some wrinkles, and your eye is done. It was my very first video tutorial, so please let me know if it was helpful. And if you will use it, post your drawings on Instagram, put my hashtag, and I will post your drawings on my Instagram profile. Thanks for watching and see you soon.